Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how you would connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, and then make sure your radio is on. So right now it's off, and this will turn it on. And then from here you can go to your phone directly here, or you could through your menu options up here. But since we're in the phone ones now, we're going to scroll down to connect Bluetooth device, and there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete a device first. So we'll go ahead and try that. So delete device, hit OK, and then let's say we want to get rid of this Lindsay phone, we'll hit OK, confirm delete, hit OK again, and now that device is deleted. So we know there's at least spot for one. So now we'll scroll back up till we get to connect Bluetooth device, so hit OK. And then if you had previously connected, you can select your phone here. But we're going to connect a new device, so we'll keep scrolling down until we get to add a Bluetooth device. So we'll hit OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
So I said hit OK. And then from your
Search
device,
for sync on your device and
make sure
enter
your
the PIN
Bluetooth's
provided
on.
by sync.
And then usually if you push and hold your Bluetooth, it'll pull up your pairing menu. And then here it said we're looking for sync. So this might take a few tries. Usually you can get it the first time though. A few tries, you might have to restart your phone, restart the car, etc. But sometimes takes a little bit. And sometimes it comes right away. But once you do have it paired up, you can always go through those lists like I showed earlier and just connect right away if it doesn't auto connect. So it has these random digits that we're going to type in. So do that now. Alright, so as long as you type the numbers correctly, you should be all set.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion. To use this device for Bluetooth audio, change your source to Bluetooth audio in the media menu.
So as it said, you can listen to music, you can take phone calls. In a newer model, you could potentially follow like your maps and stuff with like Android Audio, or Android Auto I mean, or Apple CarPlay. And if you have like an aftermarket installation here, typically those also have options like that with your maps and your music and phone calls, all that kind of thing. And then it's asking too if you wanted to set your phone as the primary phone, which you can hit say yes or no. So we'll say yes, why not? You can sync up your phone book if you'd like. I don't have a need for that. Oh, but that's it. You should be all set. And as it said in your audio, you can listen to music, all that kind of stuff. And then you usually in cars too, if you toggle through your aux settings, that'll often get you to your Bluetooth as well. But I hope this is helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.